Top 10 Best Practices for SEO Success with Your Business, Part 2. 6. Optimize any images. You can do this by giving the file names descriptive names. Using image alt text is also recommended so that the search engines can understand what images are present on your website. Properly optimized images can boost your website rank. 7. Use internal linking. The key here is to link to your main pages. So, any smaller pages can link to a larger, authoritative piece. This will help to increase the rank of the more important page. Try to use the main keyword, or a variation of it, in your internal links to ensure that the search engines know what the page is about. 8. Create amazing content. Write high-quality content that answers questions that your readers might have about your topic. If you can answer a question in less than 1,000 words, that is fine. However, it's worth noting that it's important to be thorough with any answer, so you may want to write considerably more than this amount. Many of the highest ranking pages include longer, authoritative content. 9. Build backlinks to your website. Despite what you may have read online that backlinks are no longer important, please note that backlinks, when done properly, are still very important. They show the search engines that your content is valuable enough for other webmasters to link to. When you first start your website, you may want to go slow when building backlinks. After a few months, you'll be able to ramp up your efforts. With this strategy, you want to obtain links from other important websites in this field. Links from low-quality websites that accept advertising from anyone to any website are likely to hurt your search engine rankings. 10. Look at the user experience. If you find that visitors are struggling to navigate your website or that you have a high bounce rate, which is when people leave your website after just a short time, take a close look at your user experience. Perhaps your visitors aren't finding the answers that they're looking for, or maybe your website is broken in some way. See what you can do to improve the overall experience of your visitors. Following these top 10 SEO best practices will enable you to achieve higher rankings in the search engines. The higher you rank, the more traffic you should be able to achieve, and ultimately the more sales you will be able to make. For more videos, follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Brownfuls. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.